Hello and welcome to another video of QualityTech. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to crash any messenger application. So this works with WhatsApp Messenger, Facebook Messenger, etc. So for this, the first thing you'll need to do is click in the link in the description box below. I'll also have it pinned in the comment section. So that'll take you to a page like this. So once you're here, you just need to copy the source code, which is don't touch here. You just want to copy the whole code and hit on copy and send this to the target. So I'll be just sending it to my brother, for example. I'm just gonna paste this message. Okay, so not only if he clicks this message, even if I touch this message, then it's gonna freeze my WhatsApp. So I'm just trying to touch here and there now. It's not working. So I myself have crashed my WhatsApp as I touched there. So that's how you do it, guys. Send this message to some friend of yours to piss him off. I can't exit out of this now. My keyboard's still there. Okay. Oh, it's doing things on its own. And boom, again I've crashed it. So every time a person touches this message, it's gonna crash or freeze their WhatsApp, and if it's an older device, it'll say WhatsApp is not responding and the application will close down. So I hope you guys find this trick useful and make sure you use it responsibly. So that's pretty much it, guys. See, now it says WhatsApp isn't responding. So I'm just gonna hit on close app. So there you go, guys. That's the trick. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in my next one. Peace out.